Adrian and Eva wander through their garden, discovering the hidden wonders of nature. Look, maybe it's praying, Adrian exclaims, pointing to an insect. The insect sits quietly, its forelegs folded as if in silent devotion. Adrian and Eva sit at the computer, their faces glow in the screen's light. Adrian points at the screen and says, "It's a praying mantis." Eva tilts her head, a curious look in her eyes, and asks, "Does it really pray?" Adrian shakes his head, grinning, "Of course not, bugs don't pray." Adrian, bathed in the screen's glow, sits absorbed at his desk. This says they eat other insects and like to eat their prey alive. Eva, leaning over Adrian's shoulder, responds with a shudder, "Gross." Adrian, consumed by curiosity, meticulously scans the page. A slow grin spreads across Adrian's face as he finishes the paragraph.
It says here that if you put a small piece of meat on a string and move it in front of a praying mantis, he may think it's alive and eat it.
Adrian's eyes sparkle with mischief as he suggests, "Let's try it." In the garden, Adrian teases a mantis with a piece of hamburger on a string. The mantis strikes with deadly speed, snatching the meat. Adrian observes the mantis with rapt attention. The family gathers around the dinner table, the remnants of their meal scattered before them. Mom asks with gentle curiosity, "So, did your new pet like the food you gave him?"
Mom, the website we found said praying mantises are vicious little creatures. It said the female will even eat her husband if she gets hungry enough.
Mom's eyes sparkle with amusement as she observes the mantis. "You little hypocrite. You look so faithful and devoted with your forelegs folded like that, but you're a pretender, you don't mean it at all." Eva watches, stifling a giggle. Eva suggests, "That would be a good name for him." Adrian lies in the dim light of his bedroom, staring up at the ceiling. Restless, he tosses and turns, his mind racing with uncertainty and doubt. A sudden resolve hardens Adrian's gaze. "I'm just like that bug. I'm not really praying, I'm just pretending." He recalls the scripture, "These people honor me with their lips, but their hearts are far from me." Driven by newfound conviction, Adrian throws off his blankets, declaring, "I want to quit pretending and become a real Christian."